Welcome to the Cougartron MK12 marking machine unboxing video. Here we have the carry case for the machine and the starter set. This here is the instruction manual which shows how to operate the machine. Here we have the actual etching unit itself. This is the on-off button and this is the settings for doing the timing. Here is the cable for the hand stamp. That just simply plugs into the front of the unit. Here is the cable for the earthing or grounding clamp, which must be attached to the piece of metal that you are wanting to mark. Here is the hand stamp with the carbon block and felt already attached with the O-ring. This here is a long life stencil. Attach the clamp to the metal and then simply pass over the top of the stencil to produce the etch on the surface of the metal. This is the CGT N1 neutralizing fluid for use after etching, and this here is the CGT S1 etching or marking fluid. This is spare felts. And again, simply pass over the top of the stencil to produce your mark into the surface of the metal. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.